Do you freeze when someone asks you the date in Korean? How do you say 4월 16일 화요일? After today's class, you will read any calendar and tell both date and day in Korean. This is Chapter 5, Dates and Days of the Week. PDF link in description. Let's start. Look at the top of the screen. There are 7 days. All of them end with 요일. Repeat after me. 일요일, Sunday. 월요일, Monday. 화요일, Tuesday. 수요일, Wednesday. 목요일, Thursday. 금요일, Friday. 토요일, Saturday. In Korea, the week starts with Sunday. 일 means sun. Now look at the calendar. It shows April 2024. The formula for dates: month plus day plus 요일. Month and day use Sino-Korean numbers. See 4, 월, 심, 육, 일 circled in red. 4 is 사. 16 is 심육. So we say 4월, 심, 육, 일. What day is it? The calendar says 화요일. Full sentence: 4월, 심, 육, 일은 화요일이에요. It is Tuesday, April 16th. How to ask? Look at the dialogue. The guy on the left asks, 4월, 심, 육, 일이 무슨 요일이에요? What day is April 16th? The guy on the right answers, 화요일이에요. It's Tuesday. To ask the date, you say 몇 월 며칠이에요. What month and what date is it? Now grammar section. First is A. This is a time particle. 4월에 means in April. 화요일에 means on Tuesday. Second grammar is at ought. This is past tense. Example, 어제 학교에 갔어요 means I went to school yesterday. You will see this.
Do you get confused with Korean days of the week? After this lesson, you will never forget them. This is Chapter 5 Vocabulary, 요일, Days of the Week. PDF link in description. Let's start. Look at the top, Monday to Sunday. All 7 days end with 요일. Repeat after me. 월요일, Monday. 화요일, Tuesday. 수요일, Wednesday. 목요일, Thursday. 금요일, Friday. 토요일, Saturday. 일요일, Sunday. Notice 일요일 is red. In Korea, Sunday is the start of the week. 일 means sun. Now see the middle section. These are important words for time. 어제 means yesterday. 오늘 means today. 내일 means tomorrow. These 3 are grouped as 평일, which means weekday. Then on the right side, 토요일, Saturday, and 일요일, Sunday, are grouped as 주말, which means weekend. So remember, Monday to Friday equals 평일, weekday. Saturday and Sunday equals 주말, weekend. Below that, we have 매일. 매일 means every day. If you do something 매일, you do it every day. Next is the grammar box for 무슨. 무슨 is used before a noun to ask about something unknown. Example 1, 무슨 운동을 좋아해요? What kind of exercise do you like? Example 2 for dates, 오늘 무슨 요일이에요? What day is it today? 무슨 plus 요일 is very common in EPS TOPIK. Now look at the practice section at the bottom. Look at the pictures and complete the conversations. Let me solve all 4 for you. Number 1. Today is circled on Friday. The question is, 오늘 무슨 요일이에요? What day is it today? The answer is 금요일이에요. It's Friday. Number 2. Today is circled on Wednesday. The question is, 내일 무슨 요일이에요? What day is tomorrow? If today is Wednesday, tomorrow is 목요일이에요. It's Thursday. Number 3. Today is circled on Thursday. The question is, 오늘. Look at the definition box. A combines with time nouns to show when something happens. Example 1, 월요일에 만나요. Let's meet on Monday. Example 2, 금요일에 영화를 봐요. I watch a movie on Friday. Example 3, 주말에 쉬어요. I rest on the weekend. Important rule with star. You cannot use A with these time words. 이제, 오늘, 내일, 지금. These words already have time meaning, so 오늘의 영화를 봐요 is wrong. Just say 오늘 영화를 봐요. Now look at the right side tip box. A has 2 uses. 1, with time nouns, it shows when an action happens. 2,
With place nouns, it shows location or destination. Example for place, Tara shinan 회사에 있어요. Dara is at the company. Example for destination, Busan shinan 집에 가요. Busan is going home. But today, we focus only on time use for dates and days.
Now, part 1. Look at the pictures and write the sentences. I will solve all 4 for you. Number 1. The picture shows a boy resting at home. The hint is 일요일 쉬다. So the sentence is 일요일에 쉬어요. I rest on Sunday. Number 2. The picture shows a hospital. The hint is 화요일 병원에 가다. So the sentence is 화요일에 병원에 가요. I go to the hospital on Tuesday. Number 3. The picture shows a beauty salon. The hint is 목요일 미용실에 가다. So the sentence is 목요일에 미용실에 가요. I go to the beauty salon on Thursday. Number 4. The picture shows a person working. The hint is 토요일 일하다. So the sentence is 토요일에 일해요. I work on Saturday. Now part 2. Look at the pictures and complete the conversations like the example. The example shows Thursday circled. Question. 목요일에 뭐 해요? What do you do on Thursday? Answer. 시장에 가요. I go to the market. Number 1. The answer given is 운동해요. I exercise. So the question is, 월요일에 뭐 해요? What do you do on Monday? Number 2. The answer given is 쇼핑해요. I go shopping. So the question is, 수요일에 뭐 해요? What do you do on Wednesday? Number 3. The answer given is 은행에 가요. I go to the bank. So the question is, 금요일에 뭐 해요? What do you do on Friday? Number 4. The answer given is 영화를 봐요. I watch a movie. So the question is, 토요일에 뭐 해요? What do you do on Saturday? Key rules from this page. 1. A comes after time words, like 월요일에, 주말에. 2. Never use A with 오늘, 내일, 어제, 지금. 3. To ask about activity, say 무슨 요일에 뭐 해요?
This is Chapter 5 Conversation, Weekend Activities. This part comes in EPS Topic Listening and Speaking. PDF link in description. Let's practice. Look at the top dialogue between Kalro and Pukam. Kalro asks, Pukam 씨, 주말에 뭐 해요? Pukam, what do you do on the weekend? Pukam answers, 토요일에 한국어를 공부해요. I study Korean on Saturdays. 일요일에 운동해요. I exercise on Sundays. Then Kalro asks, 오늘은 뭐 해요? What are you doing today? Pukam replies, 오늘은 영화를 봐요. I am watching a movie today. Notice, 오늘 계산 A 내일락다. We learned that in grammar. Now, answer me section. 2 questions based on the dialogue. Question 1. Pukam 씨는 매일 한국어를 배워요? Does Pukam study Korean every day? The answer is no. He studies only on Saturday. He says 토요일에 한국어를 공부해요. Question 2. Pukam 씨는 일요일에 뭐 해요? What does Pukam do on Sundays? The answer is 일요일에 운동해요. He exercises on Sundays. Next section, practice speaking using the provided expressions. Look at the picture. It's Saturday. The boy is exercising, the girl is cooking. The expressions given are 토요일, 운동하다, 요리하다, and 일요일, 쉬다, television을 보다. The example dialogue. Person A asks, 토요일에 뭐 해요? What do you do on Saturday? Person B answers, 운동해요. I exercise. Then person B asks back, 타찬 씨는 토요일에 뭐 해요? What do you do on Saturday, 타찬? Person A answers, 저는 요리해요. I cook. So for Sunday you can make 일요일에 뭐 해요? 나 쉬어요. I rest. Or television을 봐요. I watch television.
This is Chapter 5 Vocabulary 2, Dates and Months. This section is very important for EPS TOPIK. PDF link in description. Let's learn. Look at the top calendar. This is April. 4월. First, learn months. Repeat after me. 1월, January. 2월, February. 3월, March. 4월, April. 5월, May. 6월, June, 7월, July, 8월, August, 9월, September, 10월, October, 11월, November, 12월, December. All months use wol and Sino-Korean numbers. Now see the labels around the calendar. 지난달 means last month. 이번 달 means this month. 다음 달 means next month. For weeks, 지난주, last week. 이번 주, this week. 다음 주, next week. The red circle shows 일, day, and the number 3 is marked as 일, day. Number 14 is circled as 오늘, today. Next section is 숫자, numbers. These are Sino-Korean numbers used for dates and months. 1, 일, 2, 이, 3, 삼, 4, 사, 5, 오, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10.
First, let's learn the words in the blue box. 작년 means last year. 올해 means this year. 내년 means next year. These 3 words are used for talking about years. Next word is 언제. 언제 means when. We use 언제 to ask about time. 생일 means birthday. 친구 means friend. 케이크 means cake. 미역국 means seaweed soup. In Korean culture, people eat miyeokguk on their birthday. Now look at the tip box. 언제, 몇 월, 며칠 are used to ask about the time or the date. 언제 means when. 몇 월 means what month. 며칠 means what date. Let's see the example given here. The question is, 오늘 몇 월 며칠이에요? What month and date is it today? The answer is 4월 14일이에요. It is April 14th. So 월 is for month and 일 is for date. Now we have a practice section. The instruction says, 그림을 보고 대화를 완성하세요. Look at the pictures and complete the conversations.
We have 4 calendar pictures. Each one has a conversation between 가 and 나. The question in all 4 is the same. 오늘이 몇 월 며칠이에요? This means, what month and date is it today? Let's solve all 4 one by one. Number 1. Look at the calendar. The month is 6, June, and the date is 21. The dialogue is 가, 오늘이 몇 월 며칠이에요? 나, 이에요. We fill the blank with the date from the calendar, so the complete answer is 나, 6월 21일이에요. It means it is June 21st. Number 2. Look at the calendar. The month is 8, August, and the date is 7. The dialogue is 가, 오늘이 몇 월 며칠이에요? 나, 이에요. The answer is 나, 8월 7일이에요. It means it is August 7th. Number 3. Look at the calendar. The month is 10, October, and the date is 22. The dialogue is 가, 오늘이 몇 월 며칠이에요? 나, 이에요. The answer is 나, 10월 22일이에요. It means it is October 22nd. Number 4. Look at the calendar. The month is 3, March, and the date is 15. The dialogue is 가, 오늘이 몇 월 며칠이에요? 나, 이에요. The answer is 나, 3월 15일이에요. It means it is March 15th. Look at the definition box. At, ut attaches to verbs and adjectives to show that something has already happened. It means past tense. Now, the rules table. If the last vowel is a or o, add at. Example, 가다 becomes 갔어요. If the last vowel is any other vowel, like 어, 우, 이, add ot. Example, 먹다 becomes 먹었어요. For ha verbs, ha becomes het. Example, 일하다 becomes 일했어요. 3 examples given. 작년에 한국에 왔어요. I came to Korea last year. 어제 영화를 봤어요. I watched a movie yesterday. 지난주에 쇼핑했어요. I went shopping last week. See, all actions are already finished. Now, part 1. Look at the pictures and complete the sentences. All sentences start with 어제, meaning yesterday, so all verbs will be past tense. I will solve all 4. Number 1. The picture shows a man going to a bank. The bank sign says sale. So, 어제 은행에 갔어요. I went to the bank yesterday. 가다 becomes 갔어요 because last vowel is 아. Number 2. The picture shows a man eating. So, 어제 밥을 먹었어요. I ate rice yesterday. 먹다 becomes 먹었어요 because last vowel is 아. Number 3. The picture shows 2 people talking on computer. So, 어제 친구하고 이야기했어요. I talked with a friend yesterday. 이야기하다 becomes 이야기했어요 because of 하. Number 4. The picture shows a man working at a shop. So, 어제 일했어요. I worked yesterday. 일하다 becomes 일했어요.
Now, part 2. Look at the pictures and complete the conversations like the example. The calendar shows May. Example, person A asks, 5월 27일에 뭐 했어요? What did you do on May 27th? Person B answers, 쇼핑했어요. I went shopping. The picture shows shopping on 27th. Now solve all 4. Number 1. Question. 5월 6일에 뭐 했어요? What did you do on May 6th? Look at May 6th on calendar. The picture shows a woman. Answer? 영화 봤어요. I watched a movie. Number 2. Question. 5월 10일에 뭐 했어요? What did you do on May 10th? Look at May 10th. The picture shows a boy playing. Answer? 운동했어요. I exercised. Number 3. Question. 지난주 화요일에 뭐 했어요? What did you do last Tuesday? Last week Tuesday is May 7th based on calendar. The picture on 7th shows nothing, but we use the pattern. Answer? 공부했어요. I studied. Or you can say what you did. Number 4. Question. 어제 뭐 했어요? What did you do yesterday? If today is May 31st, yesterday is May 30th. The picture shows eating. Answer? 밥을 먹었어요. I ate.
EPS topic listening and speaking tests. PDF link in description. Let's practice. Look at the top picture. Dara is celebrating his birthday with friends and cake. Now the dialogue between Foy and Dara. Foy asks, 생일이 언제예요? When is your birthday? Dara answers, 5월 20일이에요. It is May 20th. Foy asks again, 생일에 뭐 했어요? What did you do on your birthday? Dara answers, 친구가 기숙사에 왔어요. My friend came to the dormitory. 케이크를 먹었어요. We ate cake. Now answer me section. 2 questions based on the dialogue. Question 1. Dara 씨 생일이 언제예요? When is Dara's birthday? The answer is 5월 20일이에요. It is May 20th. Question 2. Dara 씨는 생일에 뭐 했어요? What did Dara do on his birthday? The answer is 친구가 기숙사에 왔어요. 케이크를 먹었어요. His friend came to the dormitory and they ate cake. Next section. Practice speaking using the provided expressions. Look at the picture. It shows miyeokguk, seaweed soup. Koreans eat miyeokguk on birthdays. The expressions given are 10월 1일, 미역국을 먹다, and 6월 7일, 영화를 보다. The example dialogue, person A asks, 생일이 언제예요? When is your birthday? Person B answers, 10월 1일이에요. It is October 1st. Person A asks, 생일에 뭐 했어요? What did you do on your birthday? Person B answers, 미역국을 먹었어요. I ate seaweed soup.
If you look at a Korean calendar, you will see dates marked with both large and small numbers. The large numbers are based on the solar calendar. The small numbers are based on the lunar calendar. In Korea, both the solar and lunar calendars are still used, so both are shown on the calendar. Schedules for companies, schools, and government agencies are all based on the solar calendar. National holidays and legal holidays, like Independence Day and Hangul Day, are also based on the solar calendar.
However, traditional holidays like Lunar New Year Solal and Chuseok are based on the lunar calendar. Therefore, Korea has 2 New Year's days. 1, January 1st in the solar calendar, 2, January 1st in the lunar calendar. Additionally, as Korea is a country where individual religions are all respected, the birthdays of both Jesus and the Buddha are public holidays. Christmas, December 25th, the birthday of Jesus, is based on the solar calendar. Buddha's birthday, April 8th, is based on the lunar calendar. Look at the February calendar example on the page. The large numbers are solar dates. The small numbers like 12.23, 11.1, 8.6 are lunar dates. Some people use the solar calendar for their birthday, while others use the lunar calendar. Because of the dual use of solar and lunar calendars, there can be amusing situations where people receive messages like happy birthday from department stores or hospitals on a day that is not their real birthday. Now, self-assessment section. Check yourself. Can you do these 3 things? 1. 요일을 묻고 답할 수 있다. I can ask and answer what day of the week it is. Example, 오늘 무슨 요일이에요? 금요일이에요. 2. 날짜를 묻고 답할 수 있다. I can ask and answer what date it is. Example, 오늘 몇 월 며칠이에요? 4월 29일이에요. 3. 과거의 일에 대해 말할 수 있다. I can talk about past events. Example, 어제 영화를 봤어요. I watched a movie yesterday.
7월 15일은 related to. Answer 3번 날짜, date. 토요일, 일요일은 related to. Answer 3번 주말, weekend. Choose correct sentence. Answer 3번. 저는 텔레비전을 봐요. I watch TV. Choose correct sentence. Answer 4번. 수요일에 영화관에 갔어요. I went to cinema on Wednesday. Past tense, at. Passage summary. Korean calendars use both solar, 양력, and lunar, 음력. Companies use solar. 설날 and 추석 use lunar. Birthdays can be solar or lunar. Correct option, 3번. 음력으로 생일을 기념하는 사람도 있습니다. Some people celebrate birthday on lunar calendar. 5 questions done. Keywords, 날짜, date, 주말, weekend.